Hello friends, fighting kesang New India Assurance Company ni bisingtei katal kaisa job notification naileno oro sijak tongo recruitment of 450 administrative officer generalist and specialist na tilangjaknai fighting kesang number of vacancies naileno post wise vacancies ni details jak tongo risk engineering ni bagai total 36 vacancies tongnai category wise vacancies khagari jak tongo automobile engineering ke 96 vacancies tongnai legal ke 70 accounts ke 30 vacancies tongnai health ni bagai 75 vacancies tongnai IT ni bagai 23 generalist ni bagai 120 vacancies tongnai total 450 ta vacancies tongnai online registration ni applications tarongkha 1 August ni simi 21 August ratai norok online application khaimanai tero duita step na exam lajaknai first ke 9 September lajaknai exam te first to online examination ar October na lajaknai post ni bagai essential qualification nangnai risk engineering ni bagai qualification engineering graduate post graduate te 60% te HC ST rong ke 55% lagai graduate ba post graduate khaja tongke norok o post ni bagai apply khaimanai automobile engineering ni bagai graduate te post graduate te mechanical engineering with 60% te HC ST rong ke 55% tongke norok o post ni bagai apply khaimanai legal officer ni bagai qualification graduate post graduate in law khaja tongke te 60% te HC ST rong ke 55% mark tongke o post ni bagai application khaimanai accounts ni bagai qualification charter accounts khaja nangnai graduate te post graduate oro 60% te HCS rong ke 55% mark tongke post ni bagai apply khaimanai health ni bagai qualification MBBS MD MS or PG medical degree o mai qualification tongkre norok health post ni bagai application khaimanai IT specialist ni bagai BE BTech ME MTech in IT computer science khaja tongke norok IT specialist ni bagai application khaimanai minimum age ke 21 years te maximum ke 30 years jaratai jara tongnai norok online application khaimanai post ni bagai HC ST ni bagai oro 5 years realization jaknai prelims examination ni bagai oro syllabus jak tongo tei norok notification video ni description nainai di main examination ni bagai ba syllabus jak tongo a notification video ni description rinai application fee ke HC ST PWBT candidates ni bagai oro 100 rupees all candidates other than HC ST PWBT candidates ni bagai oro 850 rupees rana nangnai examination center tongnai chini Tripura state ni bagai oro Agartala na rajak examination center inke friends noro nogoi mankana the New India Assurance Company ni bisingti katal job ni notification o mahai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai support khai dei noro katal job ni notification nogoi manai।